Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of September 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund has broken the very wide and declining short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a shift in trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the level of $30.56, which may provide a second opportunity to engage in a promising investment. According to fan theory, $51.39 will be the next possible peak level, representing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 52.31% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -86.17% to -56.56%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 62.87% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 31.58% and 261.67%. This translates to a price range of $44.15 to $121.34 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Evaluation of SOXL ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The SOXL ETF price declined by 4.47% on the last day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, dropping from $35.12 to $33.55. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 7.37%, ranging from a low of $32.04 to a high of $34.40. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days and has risen by 29.24% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, alongside the ETF price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume typically moves in tandem with the ETF. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 12 million shares, with a total of 107 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.61 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price stands 52.13% or $36.53 below the 52-week high and 91.13% or $344.69 below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recent developments surrounding SOXL, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, highlight a mixed outlook for investors. The semiconductor sector, long viewed as a beneficiary of the artificial intelligence wave driven by companies like NVIDIA, has exhibited significant volatility. While many semiconductor stocks have performed well since the year 2021, with some analysts suggesting potential for a year-end rally, the risks associated with SOXL remain pronounced. It has experienced a steep decline of approximately 52% since June, raising concerns about its sustainability as a long-term investment. With technical indicators suggesting a possible bottom, short-term traders may find opportunities for a rebound. However, the inherent structural risks of SOXL, including high daily rebalancing costs and volatility, could impede long-term gains. Some analysts recommend the SOX Exchange Traded Fund as a more stable alternative due to its better risk-return profile. The current sentiment is that while SOXL may provide amplified exposure to the semiconductor market, it is crucial for investors to weigh this against the backdrop of significant potential losses. In the immediate future, cautious investors might hold off on making major positions in SOXL, while those with a high-risk appetite may still consider it for short-term trading, driven by the expectation of a rally despite the prevailing volatility in the sector. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. There are mixed signals present in the exchange-traded fund today. The SOXL ETF exhibits a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $33.66. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $32.77. A breakout above the long-term average would generate an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce another sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative trend. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, with the ETF having fallen by 19.60% thus far. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 111 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $32.16, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant daily fluctuations, and due to a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.36 between its high and low, representing a 7.37% change. In the past week, the ETF has exhibited a daily average volatility of 7.46%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $32.16. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is negative, and a stop loss has not been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL exhibits several negative indicators, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this exchange-traded fund. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate SOXL to open lower by 22 cents and begin trading at $33.33. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.